What's up, YouTube? I know it's been a minute since I've been posting videos. I've been posting videos here recently, but I just had a bunch of stuff I had to get caught up on. I was pretty busy at work and all kinds of stuff. I just didn't have time to post videos, but I've been here recently, been making some time to make some more videos, so I've been getting back to it. I don't know if, I'm sure y'all remember this go-kart. This is the Thunder kart. When I last left off, I think I was maybe still stretching it, just welding the frame back together. But in between all that, me not shooting videos, I finished all the welding on the frame basically, except for a couple of little spots. I had to put a brace in right here to do the engine mount. Finally ordered the engine for it, clutch, chain, all that stuff. It's got the live axle from Go Power Sports. Jags racing seat. I ordered a slider, but the slider never came in. It was on back order for like literally a year. It never came in, so I just decided to just make some little homemade brackets so I can screw it in and actually ride it for now. I think the last time I was doing videos, I set up my brake kit. I took it off for paint. I painted it probably a couple months ago, like a solid gloss black. Actually came out pretty good, even though it's like pitted all the shit. It actually came out decent. Paint's pretty thick. But yeah, so right now I'm about to put this engine plate, about to mount it on here, like so. And then mount my engine on it. And hopefully I can get it running today. That'd be really cool if I could get it running today. I might catch a little clip of that, but I ain't gonna spoil it too much because this weekend I'm probably gonna take it out over Thanksgiving break and give her the beans. Hey. And the engine plate is gonna mount right there. I'm gonna clean up some spots to weld in a little plate or a little bar. Good enough. Alright, let's see. There she goes. Try and get her in there as good as possible. Pretty square. Trying to get y'all some good visuals. Me tacking her up, bro. I'm one hand this, so don't judge me. I was a one-handed weld, man. Holding y'all in one hand and welding with the other. Don't look too bad. I think that's gonna be a good enough engine mount. I gotta plug this little hole I made. My little bar is a lot thinner than that pipe is, so it started eating the pipe, or eating that square piece. Looks like shit, but it should hold. See if I can squeeze all in there. Alright. Let me know what y'all think of my welding skills. Alright. So, I've gotten almost everything lined up about where I want it. So everything's gonna work out perfect. Sprocket's perfectly in a gap where nothing's gonna hit it. Not too low or it's gonna drag. It might hit something, but it's not lowering my tires. I got my plate and my engine lined up about where I want it to be. And then, I don't know if many people do this or notice this, or if y'all can even see this, but I dropped some bolts through there just to make sure that my engine can still bolt up with the way my bracket is bolted or welded to the frame. And it can. On both sides it fits. Now you can see that. It's gonna be sweet. Yeah. The motor's gonna be a little bit one-sided, but not too bad. But it's gotta be just the way the design of the my frame is. If I tried moving the plate any closer this way, this sticks out too far and it gets too close. Like if I come a little closer, then that's all she's got. So I'd rather have more tolerance and more space and move the engine over that way to the right a little bit than have to deal with shit not lining up right or just something being weird or out of whack. So yeah, it would have been nicer to have it more in the middle, but it's really not too off center. It shouldn't be too bad. And shit, if it is kind of bad and I don't like it, I can always just cut it and re-weld it a different way. So yeah, let me just send it, see how it does. But yeah, I cleaned up all my spots on my little engine mount bracket. I'm about to tack all that stuff in there, pick my engine up, lay a nice little bead on there so she'll stay, and then I'll bolt the engine up for good. And I'm gonna go about putting on a bolt on my clutch because my clutch is not seated yet. And then I need to key my sprocket and make my chain. We'll get to that here in a minute. I'm about to tack it up. Dang, that thing is a lot heavier than it looks. All right, she looks straight. I'm about to send her home. Trying to block y'all's view. I don't know if y'all can see that. Yeah. Alright, I know some guy in the comments can be like, do this 10 more times. The weld you need for that, but this one ain't even looking like it's sticking. This one either. That one kind of stuck. That one kind of stuck. He ain't going nowhere. Alright. Well, I'm gonna clean it up here with some little paint real quick just to make it look nice. I'm gonna bolt my engine up. Hope y'all like the content. Like, comment, subscribe. And if you want to see some more, or if you have any questions, just hit me up. I should see it. If I don't hit it up right away, I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I'll try and stay on my socials. But, yep.